What's up, Geeks 4x4? Thanks for coming to the channel today. Today we are going to do an open box and review a little bit of install and cleanup of wiring and stuff like that. You guys recognize this truck. This is Rugged Fabworks truck. We rebuilt the 460 in it last year, and it's out of my garage now, so it can come in to get work on it. Yeah. Okay, so anyway, this is the box. It is SKU QP002983. It is the 8-channel setup, and this is everything that comes with it. Let me flip the camera around and show you guys what we got. All right, so it comes with this fuse block. So it does not come with these wires installed. We did that, but it comes with all of that set up. So you're going to put your power and ground for all of your accessories right into this instead of having to run them all that wiring. That's junk. And then it comes with a little 60 amp fuse or breaker or whatever. That looks really nice and clean. Comes with these nice cables, a whole set of instructions that we won't look at, stickers to tell you what there is. There's a lot of different stuff that it says you can do on there, so that's kind of cool. A couple of different brackets. I'm not really sure what this is. Some sort of jumper bolts for the brackets. The bracket is already on this, and here is the wire that goes into the cab. Even comes with zip ties. That's pretty awesome. And then this bracket, and of course a sticker, so we get horsepower out of this. So anyway, yeah, we are going to take all of this mess. It's running, not all of it, I mean obviously some of it is truck wiring, but all this random stuff, and make it really pretty. So wish us luck. Before we get into installing this, I just want to say two things. I finally figured out how to put merchandise right here on YouTube. So right down below, you're going to see a whole bunch of cool merchandise for Geeks 4x4. Help support us. Help support what the channel's doing. Thank you for buying that. Secondly, don't forget to hit the dang like button. It's there. Hit it. Do it. Thirdly, there is a link in the description for this cool product. Check it out. And if you buy through the link, I get a little commission, and that is awesome. So thank you guys so much. We will see you in the video. We are torn apart. We are taking wiring out everywhere. We took out a couple things over here, and we found that this bracket fit perfectly right in here, and it even has a cool angle to it. I already have this thing mounted to the bracket. I've got the pod lights. They are soldered together and then wired in to this. This ground is, or this power's here. The ground is set up. I just tapped it into the fender here, and so I've just got to mount this fuse block thingy, and then put this power here, and gotta do all the rest of this stuff. But this is now how easy it's gonna be to hook up anything. You just put the positive and negative right in there, and it's good to go. Well, I just wanted to say something quickly in this video. If I can get this camera to focus here. Okay, so we got two wires. They're about to go into this. I would suggest, and I like to solder the end of these so that when you crush them down, the wire doesn't just go boom and go around the thing. I like to put some solder on it and keep that wire together. So just a little tech tip for you. And yeah, we're gonna have the light bar, which doesn't exist right now, but it's around. We just need to put it on top. And the pod lights all wired into our main system, and then we got to put in that, and we've taken out always taking out random wires connected to nothing. Yeah, we have wires around. Yeah, second owners, old owners are always fun.
Into the night, I will keep you close by.
haven't hard mounted this yet. Got to figure out what we're going to do in this area before we do that. But found some 12 volt power in here. And so with the key on, this thing is on. With the key off, it's off. But cleaned up all of that. There are no longer like 10 wires going into the dash. And then inside, mounted it. If you're looking for a spot on your F250 older OBS body, we put it right there. And so with the key, it lights up, and then you can see the ditch light on off there. And then you turn the key off and the lights go off. And just in case you were curious, turning the key back on, the lights do not come back on. So that is the kind of inner workings of that. And so far, happy with it. We put a 10 amp fuse on these ditch lights, and then we put a 30 amp for the light bar that we'll put on some other time. So in total, this box has 2 5 amps, 2 10 amps, 2 20s, and 2 30s. So we've just used 2 of them. Didn't take too long to install, a couple hours. Mostly it was cleaning up. If you have a blank slate to work on, it's going to be a lot quicker. But now everything we install, we just run the wires up to here, and it's going to be super simple. The ground and everything is taken care of right there, and the switching and everything. So we are very happy with this, and feel like it's going to do us well. But anyway, thank you so much for watching. There will be a link in the description to this product. I'm going to be running this similar product, I think the 6-channel one. Maybe I'll try another cheap one. We'll see. The on Blue Bob as well. But for now, this is what we got. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We will see you next time.